Hey Camp Lahana, welcome to the Daily Do. Today, we're gonna teach you how to make an indoor bowling set. What we're gonna use today are 20 plastic cups. You can also use water bottles or anything else you have at your house. You need some tape and then a ball to use to be able to roll for your bowling ball. If you're using cups, this is how we are gonna put the other cups to make a bowling pin. You're gonna stack them on top of each other, so bottom, and then you're gonna take a piece of tape and you're gonna wrap it around the cups. Once you wrap around once, tear it off, and you just press it nice and tight. Now your two cups are stuck together. Now that you have one done, now make 9 more to make your 10-pin set. Now that you have your bowling set, now you need to find your bowling lane. I know we said it's indoor, but you also can take it outdoor if your parents want you to get outside, but make sure you find a safe place to make a bowling lane. For your 10-pin set, you should have 4 in the back, 3 in the next row, 2 in the next row, and 1 up front to make your triangle. Woo! So now that you've created your normal bowling lane, be creative. We're gonna start over here. You're gonna bank it off the cabinet into your pyramid over here. Let's see who can do it better. Got 4 left. Oh, picked up 1 more. Oh, 2 left. Is it gonna come back? Is it gonna come back? Now you saw how we set up our bowling lane. Now y'all be creative and set up yours. For more information, please go on to our website under our news section at www.lahunta.com. Have fun and happy bowling.